Hi, good evening, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss trigonometry chapter. So first of all, introduction is very important. What is trigonometry? Trigonometry is the subject deals with three sides and three angles. Trigonometry, it is a Greek word, trigonon and metron. Trigonon means three sides and three angles. Metron means measurement. So we are measuring the three sides and three angles. We are discussing about that part. So trigonometry. In trigonometry, we have 6 trigonometric ratios: sine theta, cosecant theta, cos theta, secant theta, tan theta and cot theta. These are the 6 trigonometric ratios. Okay. So these trigonometric ratios, how we are defining? See, here beside I took one triangle here. This is a right angle triangle because this angle is 90 degrees. ABC is the right angled triangle. Here let this angle is theta here. That side AB is the side opposite to theta. So this is opposite hand side. This side is near to the theta. So this is adjacent side. This 90 degrees opposite is always hypotenuse. That is hypotenuse. Sin theta, opposite hand side by hypotenuse. Opposite hand side by hypotenuse. AB by AC. Cosec theta is AC by AB. Reciprocal of this. Sin and cosec are reciprocal to each other. If you know sin theta, just take numerator and denominator interchange. You will get cosecant theta. So sin theta is reciprocal of cosecant theta. Cos theta, BC by AC, adjacent side by hypotenuse. Sec theta is a reciprocal of cos theta. Tan theta is reciprocal of cot theta. Tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. Cot theta is reciprocal, adjacent side by opposite side. So these are the 6 trigonometric ratios: sin theta, cosec theta, cos theta, secant theta, tan theta, cot theta. There are 6 trigonometric ratios are there in trigonometry. Maybe it's clear for you. 2 are reciprocal to each other. Okay. So you need to copy this. Once you copy this, yeah. What we can do next, we need to understand sin theta into cosec theta is 1, because just now I told you. So what is sin theta? AB by AC. What is cosec theta? AC by AB. AB, AC, AC cancel. What is the result? 1. So sin theta, cosec theta, if you multiply these two, you will get 1. So sin theta is equal to what? 1 by cosecant theta. I am taking down. Cosecant theta is equal to what? 1 by sin theta. Please try to understand. Sin theta, cosec theta reciprocal to each other. So sin theta 1 by cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta. The second one, cos theta into secant theta is 1. Similarly, same. BC by AC, AC by BC, AC, AC, BC, BC cancel. So cos theta is equal to what? 1 by sec theta. Sec theta is equal to what? 1 by cos theta. Try to understand. Tan theta into cot theta is 1. Similarly, tan theta is what? 1 by cot theta. What is cot theta? 1 by tan theta. Try to understand. So these are the relation between two trigonometric ratios: sine cosec relation, cos secant relation, tan cot relation. You can copy this. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Here, next continuation. What is sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. Please remember, sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. What is cos theta by sin theta is cot theta, COT, cot. How we are getting? Sin theta is what? Opposite side by hypotenuse. What is cos theta? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse cancel. What is opposite side by adjacent side? Opposite side by adjacent side is nothing but what? Tan theta. Like this. So sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. Cos theta by sin theta is cot theta. Okay? Any doubt, please ask me. Next, what are the identities? You need to understand the identities. In trigonometry, we have main three identities. There are three identities. What are the three identities? The first identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. The relation between sin theta and cos theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is first identity. The second identity, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. The third identity, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. In most of the places we are going to use these identities. The first identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. These are the three identities in trigonometry. Clear? Okay? Any doubt? Please ask me. Next, here we need to understand how can we find the angles. Means, for example, 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. How to find sin 30 degrees? What is sin 45 degrees? What is tan 60 degrees? To find all this, there is some technique is there. The table I will tell you. So the table is like this. First we need to take 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. To take this, first we are writing 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Under these values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Each value divide with 4. 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. Take square root for each value. This is the technique. 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Under this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Each value divide with 4. Then take square root for each value. 0 by something, 0. Already I told you. 1 by 4 square root is 1 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. It's 1 by root 2. This is root 3 by 2. 4, 4 cancel. This is 1. These are values of sine. Sine 0, 0. Sine 30, 1 by 2. Sine 45, 1 by root 2. Sine 60, root 3 by 2. Sine 90. How can you find cos values? Reverse it. 1 right here. Root 3 by 2. 1 by root 2 is 1 by root 2 here only. 1 by 2 will come here. 0 will, means we are interchanging, means we are taking these values this side, those middle value will be the same. Just now I told you how to find tan, sine by cos theta. Just now we discussed sine theta by cos theta is tan theta. So sine by cos, 0 by 1, 0. 2 cancel, 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 cancel, 1. 2 cancel, root 3. 1 by 0 is infinite. Next, how to find the values of secant? Just now I told you secant theta is reciprocal of cos theta. So cos is what? 1. 1 by 1 is 1. Reverse it, 2 by root 3. Reverse it, cos value reverse it, root 2. Reverse it, 2 by 1 is 2. 0 reverse is infinite. Why? Because 0 by 1 is 0. Reverse is 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is infinite. How to find cosec values? Just reciprocal. Infinite, 2, root 2 will be here only, 2 by root 3, this is 1. This is one important table, please remember. And suppose even we are forgetting, suppose if you are forgetting these values in the examination, easily in rough work you can create this table. Once again I will repeat, 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. First write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Each value divide with 4. Take square root for each value. Whatever the values you are getting, these are the values of sine. Cos, if you want, reciprocal. Means 1 will come this side, root 3 by 2. This will be here, 1 by 2 will be that side, 0 will be that side. Tan theta is sine theta by cos theta. 0 by 1, 0. 2 cancel, 1 by root 3, 1, root 3, infinite, like this. Understood? Next, here, next we need to understand, to measure the angles there are 3 systems. To measure the angles there are 3 systems. For example, what is the Indian currency? Rupees. If you go for America, currency will be in dollars. If you go to Dubai, dinars. Like that, every country having their own currencies. Like that, to measure the angles also in different countries, angle measurement will be different. So totally, to measure the angles, there are 3 systems. To measure the angles there are 3 systems. What is the first system? Sexagesimal system. Sexagesimal system. The other name is what? The other name, British system. The other name is British system. In this system, one revolution 360 degrees. That means if we take one circle like this, here this is the ray. This ray starts here and complete one cycle is called one revolution. One revolution is how much? 360 degrees. One right angle, 90 degrees. 1 degree, 60 minutes. This is minute. If we keep one line on the top, that is minute. 1 minute, 60 seconds. Try to understand. To measure the angles, there are 3 systems. The first one is sexagesimal system or British system. One revolution 360 degrees, one right angle 90 degrees, 1 degree 60 minutes, 1 minute 60 seconds. This is sexagesimal system, first system. The second one, centesimal system or French system. You want to copy, you can copy, otherwise I can share PowerPoint presentation we prepared. I can share the PPTs for you, don't worry. This just you need to understand the concept. The second system is centesimal system. What is the second system? Centesimal system or French system. The other name, French system. Centesimal system or French system. One revolution 400 grades. Centesimal system in French we are using grades. We are keeping G on the top, that is called grade. Grades means here same circle, this is the ray. To complete this ray it will take 400 grades in this system. One right angle 100 grades. One right angle means, see, if we make it as 4 parts, 90, 90, 90, 90, 360. One grade 100 minutes. 1 minute 100 seconds. Like this. So this is centesimal system. In this system, grade system. One revolution 400 grades. One right angle 100 grades. One grade 100 minutes. 1 minute 100 seconds. Here next we need to understand the next system is circular system or radian system. Okay, for entrance point of view sometimes we'll use all these systems. Okay, should be very careful. Here the third system is circular system or radian system. Radian system. This is the third system. First one sexagesimal system, second one centesimal system, third one is radian system. Here same, the ray completes one revolution. So one revolution is 2 pi radians. Radian denoted, and the power C if we keep, that is called radians. 2 pi radians. One right angle pi by 2 radians. Because 2 pi by 4 parts. You are making 4 parts. 1 radian 57 degrees 17 minutes 45 seconds approximately. 1 radian value 57 degrees 17 minutes and 45 seconds. Please remember this. This system is called circular system. In this system what happening here, this is the angle and this part is called sector. What is that part? Sector. This is radius, this is length of arc. From here to here, this is the length of arc. Now I am going to define the radian. What is the definition of radian? First of all, you need to understand what is the relation between L or N theta. L is equal to R theta. In this sector, OAB for example, AOB is the sector. In that sector, this is length of arc, AB is length of arc, OA is radius, and relation between L, R and theta is L is equal to R theta. Now we can define the radian like this. The angle subtended by an arc at the center of the circle whose length equal to the radius. Means when L and R both are equal, length of arc and radius both are equal, what will happen if both are equal? L is equal to L theta, LL cancel. Theta is what? 1 radian. So the definition of radian is when length of arc and radius both are equal, whatever the angle we are getting here, that angle is called radian. This is definition of radian. The angle subtended by an arc at the center of the circle whose length equal to the radius. This is. So total there are 3 systems. Please subscribe the channel and click the bell. Okay, please subscribe this channel, our channel, and please support us. And my phone number, please note down, 984 5555 716. And every chapter we are going to give like this explanation, and all important technique shortcuts and all will give you. Please follow these videos and get the benefit. Wish you all the best. Thank you very much.